Hey, what's up? It's Mikey at the beer store. I feel like I should introduce myself because I'm wearing glasses this time in case you couldn't recognize me. Before the video starts, I just want to give a quick shout out to one of my Patreon people, Car Tansing, for sending me this MacBook Air with Power Director installed. Since my tablet has been breaking up on me, this has been like a total game changer. Because I was just editing on that little tablet with some like weird app and basically just wrestling with it the entire time. And this has just like changed the game for me. It's so much more efficient. I got a lot to learn. I've been learning a lot so far though, but yeah, it's actually become like kind of fun and enjoyable again to edit video. So that's pretty great. So I'm hoping to make maybe a little bit better quality video for you guys. Yeah, so thanks again, Car. I can't believe you just sent me a laptop for free, so thank you. Really made my life a lot easier. Okay, anyways, yeah, let's get to the video.
This one is home, our aunt, my father, the brother,
but
yes.
But she's your cousin.
This home, huh?
She's your cousin.
She's my sister.
Ah, she's your sister.
Yes, yes.
Okay.
We are together working in that hotel.
Ah.
It's a park.
Oh, that's
yeah,
about
the water.
Yeah, why do they have the pipe so long from the?
You're alone. You're fucked.
It's a community building thing.
Yeah.
And the green roof, it's also hospital.
Oh,
But
okay. You can work there.
no.
Yeah, why not?
No.
Be
Why?
next to your parents.
I'm studying in Shanghai. I will work here. No.
Of course you need to.
Bizim ücret
They need doctors here in fucking
Oh,
Portugal.
yeah. It's my high school. I was studied there, but it's new one. I was studied this building. This building.
That white one?
This one?
That was your high school?
Yes. I was studied there. Yes, my high school. Yes.
Not so.
Ah, there's a park for the kids. There. Anna.
Okay.
Anna. There's a park for the kids. Gamzat taşına kalk geleli başına kimse. Anna. Çok Michael'la ne dediniz? His name is Mush.
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 Hey, Mush.
She is also studying medical university, but in Kyrgyzstan. Yes.
So there's stores in the containers?
Yes.
Interesting.
If I want to cook here, I should reservation.
Reservation here, yeah. I need...
New York Street.
Yeah.
This one?
Ah, this one. Do you know this brand?
Doc Martin?
Yes.
Yeah,
Yes.
nice.
Made in Italy.
Got some American Eagle. This golden shirt. Ah, this fucking shirt. That's perfect.
Why you have the radio with you here?
Oh, here we go. So, what if they're tomatoes? I doubt it, man.
Maybe there's some things for.
Man, I can't believe we found tomatoes. This is probably the only place in the Pamirs that sells tomatoes.
Yeah. Oh shit. I mean,
That's
this one's
fine.
good.
Yeah, we're just gonna saute it.
Yeah. Do you have onion?
This is like by far the most bountiful grocery store I've seen in a super long time. So this is the milk department where you can buy all of your yak milk, yak cheese. I think there's yak ice cream here too. It's butter. Oh, that's a lot of butter. And this is yogurt?
Yes, yogurt.
Cool. These are these strange like cheese balls. They're really chalky, salty, and kind of sour.
We got a kilo of pasta,
Yeah.
kilo of tomato.
A kilo of onion, kilo of peppers. Yeah.
Yeah, no, a kilo of peppers now.
No, it's like 2 peppers. Getting ahead of myself. All that pasta
I don't want to eat the first because
for less than $2.
Such a beautiful mukbang. And weather station. It's like Afghanistan.
It's like
have you ever been to Afghanistan?
Yes.
Yes.
Oh, of course. My home is there. But from there, I was walk to my high school.
How long? Okay, that's a long time.
Half an hour.
Half an hour, Jesus.
This one is your job. Your job. You are with animals.
And that's like the nicest building in
Thank you.
Morgab
You want
too.
to take photo with Marco Polo?
Yeah.
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 What is the fucking?
Hello, Father.
Yeah, good man. Yeah.
That's the president. His face is everywhere.
Yeah, I see this picture.
You can present our present the picture in Twilight.
Uh-huh.
It will be everywhere.
Really?
Yeah, we know.
It's really warm. Did you see?
Can walk, just walk right in there. So these are all the animals that'll fuck us up when we're camping. So majestic.
Why you say the sheep
Yeah. Very good.
Only for locals, yeah, yeah. So we can't go over there, yeah. Beautiful. Careful. Rawr! Yeah, you're an animal, work it.
Yeah, you're an animal.
Ooh.
Farkbastır.
Oh, okay. Okay, Rahman. Yeah, thank you. Okay, now it makes... see, I was rolling it the right way, and she told me it was the wrong way. I'm actually camping outside of this yurt, but I'm gonna chill in here for the day. Usually people spend like just one night here, and then they continue on. But I quite like it. I mean, it's quiet, and it's interesting. It's worth it.